Let us do question number 7. Sudhir opened a recurring deposit account with a bank for 1.5 years. If the rate of interest is 10% and the bank pays rupees 1,554 on maturity, find how much did Sudhir deposit per month. Here we have to find out P. The formula for principal, we have to use this formula 2400 into maturity value whole divided by n, that is the number of the months, in bracket 2400 plus n plus 1 into r, bracket closed. So just substitute the value 2400 into 1554. In place n you just put 18 in bracket 2400 plus 19 into 10, bracket closed. You just further solve it. The principal P will be equal to just 2400 into 1554 whole divided by 18 into 10 into bracket B. You get 240 plus 90 and solve it. You will get the answer of this question. That will be the rupees 80. Now the question number 8. Renu has a cumulative deposit account of rupees 200 per month at 10% per annum. If she gets rupees 6,775 at the time of maturity, find the total time for which the account was held. This can be solved like this. First of all, write down the given data, that is P is equal to 200 per month, rate that is 10%, maturity value is 6,775. We see just 2400 n plus n into n plus 1 into r is equal to 2400 into maturity value. Maturity value is given. Now you should substitute the value of this except n. So 2400 n plus n into n plus 1 into 10 will be equal to 2400 into 6775 whole divided by P. In place of P we write down 200. So on the right hand side we will get 8130 after cancelling. Now we will get a quadratic equation like that, n square plus 241 n minus 8130 is equal to 0. We can just factorize this. We can write down this 241 like this, minus you just put inside the bracket, again you write down bracket minus 241 n minus 8130 equal to 0. We see this is one of the method to factorize like this. 2 is this middle part, minus 241 divided by 2 plus u in one side of the bracket, in the second bracket minus 241 by 2 minus u. These are the two roots. So the product of the roots should be equal to, that is the constant divided by the coefficient of n square, that is 1 here. So it will be equal to minus 8130. You just solve it. 58,081 divided by 4 minus u square is equal to minus 8130. Further you solve it, u square will be equal to 58,081 divided by 4 plus 8130. We just solve it. U square will be equal to 90,601 by 4. So further you solve it, take out the square root of it, you will get plus minus 301 divided by 2. Now the root of the equation will be minus 241 by 2 plus 301 divided by 2. Solve it, you will get 60 divided by 2, that will further 30. In the second bracket, that is minus 241 divided by 2 minus 301 by 2. We say just further solve it, you will get 30 and minus 271. Minus 271 will be rejected because being a minus, the month will not be in minus. So we will take only the 30 months, and 30 months will be equal to 2.5 years. This quadratic equation can be solved by some other way, or second method you can say n square plus 241 n minus 8130 equal to 0. N square plus 271 minus 30 n minus 8130 equal to 0. N square will be equal to 271 n minus 30 n minus 8130 equal to 0. So take out the n common from the first two terms. It will become n in bracket n plus 271. In the second, third and fourth term, you take out minus 30 common, n plus 271 in the second bracket. So n minus 30 and n plus 271 will be equal to 0. Here the n is equal to 30 and n is equal to minus 271, which will be rejected. You see how to find out the parts of this 8130, you just factorize it. So 2, 3, 5, so 8130 can be solved like that, 2 into 3 into 5 into 271. So 30 into 271. The 271 is a prime number. How to find how we can decide that 271 will be the prime number? You take the square root of 271. It will be near about 16.462. So just we divide 271 by the number less than 16. So mostly by prime numbers. So it is confirmed that 271 is a prime number. So 30 into 271, just to subtract, we will get the middle part. So this will be the second method to factorize the quadratic equation. That's all.